Hello people, this is Self-Turts, and in this video we are going to learn about a basic math algorithm that is find sum of all the digits of a number. So for better understanding, I will give you an explanation of this question, and it states that suppose we have been given a number 1, 2, 3, 4, then we need to find the sum of all the digits. So the digits that are present here are 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I find the sum, it is equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and then 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So the sum of the digits of this number is 10, so the output should be 10. If I take another number that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so 1 is 5 times, so the sum of the number should be how much? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So the output should be 5. Or if I take another number 648, then the sum of the digits of this number is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, and then plus 8 equal to 18. So this is the problem statement and how we can do that. So if you look on these numbers, then the question says what you need to find the sum of the digits. So there must be some method through which you can find the individual digits. Now how you can find the individual digits? So you need to think on that, but I'll tell you that. I'll tell you the solution. So if you want to find the last digit, because we want the sum of the digits, so it doesn't matter we take from the left hand side or from the right hand side. Okay, so from this side we take from 4, 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3, 4, it doesn't matter because we need the sum, and sum will be equal either from left side or from right side. So if we take a modulo of this particular number by 10, then it means what? We'll get the remainder. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, and if we take a modulo by 10, it means that up to 1, 2, 3, 0, it will be divided and 4 will be left as the remainder. So if you divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by, or if you take a modulo of 1, 2, 3, 4 number with 10, then you will get the remainder as 4. So we'll get the last digit. Now, once this digit has been used, we don't need it anymore any further because we want the next digit as 3. So we'll divide the number by 10. So upon division, we'll get the quotient. So what will be the quotient? 1, 2, 3 will be the quotient because 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10 is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3.4, and because we are taking it as an int, so it will automatically get casted to int, and the remainder and the remaining number will be what? It will be equal to 1, 2, 3. So we'll follow this process and we'll get the each digit and then we'll find the sum. So it will be understood better when we'll do the coding for that. So I'll go to my Eclipse IDE here, and this is my selfturts.java file which has a main method present. So what we want to do, we want to find the sum of all the digits of a number. For that we need a number. So I will take the number as 1, 2, 3, 4. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 is the number. So what we need to do, we need to find this individual digits. So and then change the number with the remaining digits. So suppose we took 4 out of it, then the number should be what? 1, 2, 3. Then again we take 3 out of it, then the remaining number will be what? 1, 2. And then again we'll take 2 and the remaining number will 1. And if we take 1 out of it, then the remaining number will be 0. So we need to do this process how many times? Until the number is greater than 0. So if the number is greater than 0, then we need to follow the algorithm that we have discussed. So we need a while loop here because we want a looping kind of algorithm where we need to perform something until something is means the condition is true or false. So if you want to do such kind of thing, then you need a loop, and for that the best one is what? While loop for any condition. So the while loop says that while, and then you need to put a condition here, and if the condition is true, then this control will go to the inside of while loop, and if the condition is false here, then the while loop will exit. So what is our condition? Run this while loop until the number is greater than 0. So until the number is greater than 0, please run this while loop. And what you need to do, you need to find the last digit. So I'll take a variable here and I'll try to find the last digit. So how you find the last digit of a number? By taking a modulo. So 1, 2, 3, 4 modulo 10 will give 4 as the remainder because modulo give us remainder. Once we have taken the last digit, then we then what we need to do, we need to update the number with the remaining digits. So how we can do that? Okay, so there's one mistake here. I don't need to write 1 2 3 4. It should be number, because we need dynamically, because if we'll change number, it will again run without doing any hard coding. So once we have taken the last digit, we need to update the number. So how to update the number? By dividing it with 10. So when we take number divided by 10, it means what? 1234 divided by 10 will give us a value of 1234.5. But since n is a or number, sorry, here it will be number, or number is a int, so what it will do, it will cast the double or float into int, and we will be left with what? 1 2 3. So every time this while loop will run, the number will get reduced by one digit and we'll get the last digit here every time. Now we need to maintain a sum, because we need to find the sum of the digits. So we need to maintain a sum, and initially the sum should be 0, and then what we need to do, sum equal to sum plus last digit. Okay, so I think last digit, here the spelling is wrong, it is last digit. Okay, now I'll save this file. So I'll again go through this particular algorithm, that is while number is greater than 0. So when it is 1 2 3 4, then the last digit will be what? Number modulo 10, which will give us 4. So the last digit is 4, and then we'll calculate the sum. Sum equal to sum plus last digit. So it will be 0 plus 4 equal to 4, and then we'll update the number by removing the last digit. So number equal to number divided by 10, which will give us 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3. Why 1 2 3? Because number divided by 10 will be equal to what? 123.4. But since number is a int, so it will automatically get casted to int. So 123.4 when casted to int will give us 123. So we are left with 123. Now again 123. 123 is greater than 0. We'll get the last digit as 3. Then we'll make the sum again, because previous to that sum was what? 4. Then 4 plus 3 equal to 7. And then again number will become what? 12. Same way the loop will run until the number is 0, because we have given a condition here that the number should be greater than 0 to run this while loop. So I'll do what? System dot out dot println, and in println I'll print the sum. So let's see what happens. So I'll run this file and we get a sum of 10. So the sum is what? 4 plus 3 7, 7 2 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Okay, it's working fine. I'll take the number as 1 1 1 1. So 4 times 1 will give us a sum of 4. Perfect. So I'll say 1 0 1. So the sum should be what? 2. So I think it is working fine. So it is 2. So this was all about how to find the sum of digits in a number. So it is very naive algorithm. It is very basic algorithm, but the main thing was what? You need to understand about this modulo operator and this division operator. So when we do a modulo of a number by 10, it gives us the remainder. And when we divide a number by 10, and if we store that into a int, then the number will discard the last digit and will give us with the remaining digit. So this was the algorithm. So hope you like this video. Hope you like my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and please share these videos with other people. Thank you.